Hello, Darin Martineau here. How's everybody doing? So in this video, it's a very special video. I'm going to talk about my new project, which is a tribute to the card magic of Allan Ackerman, my mentor. So this is a very special project that I've done, and it's 60 video downloads of instructional card magic videos, and you learn revolutionary new card magic routines and advanced new techniques. So I have many incredible things on here. So I'm going to talk about some of the material on here. So uh, I have uh, not only my variations of Allen's some of Allen's things, and it's a lot of my own things as well. It's a blend of things, a lot of stuff that we've created together, um, and some stuff that I've created on my own. So what's on here is 4-in-1 pocket transpo. That's a routine that was actually inspired by Bill Goodwin. Okay, Bill Goodwin is a librarian of the of the he's a librarian of the Magic Castle, Bill Goodwin. So if you haven't seen his magic, he's got some of the most visual card magic of all. He's the protege of Larry Jennings. He's a good friend of mine. Um, so that's the first piece. Then I have Six Senses. The Six Senses is my routine of the multiple card selection routine. Okay. Then I have what's called the Angels and Demons Transpo. Now that's a really incredible 4-for-4 switch where you end clean, and it's a diabolical new technique you can apply to many other routines. Many of the routines, just like Allen's, are um, multiple application things, so you can use these things with a lot of your work. Next, I have the Allan Ackerman Convincing Reverse, and it's one of the best reverses there is. You can use it for any type of inversion or reverse routine. Next, we have the Ackerman Four Aces production. Okay, we have the Quick Transpo Card to Four Pockets by Allan Ackerman. We have the Invisible Deck with the regular deck, which is Allan Ackerman's. We have something from Here's My Card called An Effect, which is a double color change. I'll leave it mysterious over here, but it's a really cool opening routine. It's a good card routine for an opener, and it's called An Effect. Next is many card palming techniques, many new palm replacements. I have my signed card to match book, which uh, which I created this in probably about 1995 or 96, and I have it on a video, and it shows on the video. I have it marked on the video when I created that. That's how I know that I have a time stamped. So the next one I have is what I call the Caught Red-Handed Triumph, and that is my spin out switcher. It's also known as my infinity switch because it has infinite applications in that. Okay. The next piece of material we have here is called Change of Mind, and that is created by Allan Ackerman and John Cornelius, and that's from his book, which was from his second book that he published. Next, we have Deja Vu card and signed folded card in pocket. Okay, that's an ambitious type of routine that I've created. Oh, the Deja Vu card and signed folded card in pocket watch. That's a finale for an ambitious card routine, and that's a really cool routine. The next we have a creation of Allan Ackerman, a variation of Ed Marlowe's piece, which is a double brainwave, which is really really strong, and I have a lot of things with that. Next we have a double revelation. That's a Larry Jennings effect. Next we have a magician fuller, which is called double stop, which is a self-working piece. Next, I have an easy spectator cuts to double. Allan Ackerman has many spectator cuts to the aces and spectator cuts double. So I wanted to put an easy version in here for people that aren't as advanced. I have many variations of that, but this one is an easy one. Easy spectator cuts double is from a shuffle deck. You can have the spectator cut to the aces and the kings, or any two four of a kinds. Next, we have the quick coincidence revisited, which is one of my tributes to Allan. That's a modern a modern variation of his quick coincidence from Here's My Card. Next, we have the Identity Crisis Card Wallet, which is I do a snap change with a signed card changing into your driver's license and then inside your wallet. So it's a transposition of your driver's license and their signed card, and then their signed card ends up in the wallet. It's a really awesome piece I created. That one probably in about 1995, 1996. So some of these are older creations, but I have a lot of new creations on here as well. One that's fairly new, which well, I created this probably I don't remember 6 to 10 years ago. It's called Jazzing the Jazz Aces, and that is a take on the Peter King's Jazz Aces, and it's with the queens and kings. That's really cool. And then we have an effect that Allan and I created. We created this at the time we went to the it was probably one of the first A1 Multimedia's Magic conventions, either the first or the second one. It was so many years ago I couldn't remember, but it's called Jazz with Rhythm, and it's a jazz aces, and it ends with a straight flush. Absolutely genius. So that was created